Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of fruit custard with jelly. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need 1 finely chopped apple, half banana, 1 mango finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 750 ml of milk, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, 1 packet of cherry flavored jelly. Let's start preparing custard first. Add 750 ml of milk in a saucepan and let it boil. Keep stirring until milk boils. Now in a bowl add 2 tablespoons of custard powder and add little milk and mix it well. As you can see, milk is boiling now. We will add sugar. Now mix well and then add custard mixture. Now keep stirring until custard thickens. As you can see, custard is thick now, so we will off the flame. Now start adding fruits. You can add fruits whatever you like to add. Now mix them well. Now start adding into the bowls. Now refrigerate it for about 1 hour and then we will add jelly. Let's start preparing jelly. Empty the packet into a bowl and then add boiling water, about 250 ml of boiling water. Now keep mixing until it dissolves. Now add 250 ml of warm water. Jelly is ready. Now let's transfer it to the bowls. Add slices of banana. Now start pouring jelly. Now let them chill for about 2 hours. As you can see, fruit custard with jelly is ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.